Dump some ice into the toilet and let everything get nice and cold. Place a bottle of Coca-Cola inside and get a piece of paper ready. Gently unroll it, stick it into the Coke and light it so it just starts to smolder. Now grab some garden fertilizer. Scatter it around the bottle to help the ingredients react better for a stronger effect. Next, pull the bottle out and pour the contents over the ice cubes to keep the process going. Close the lid and immediately place a glass next to the toilet. Take a dishwasher tablet, cut it open, and drop it in. Then grab a laundry pod and slice it so the liquid flows out freely. Squeeze the juice from half a lemon straight into the glass. Finally, top it all off with alcohol and mix thoroughly until smooth. Open the toilet and slowly pour in the mixture. Sprinkle a bit of salt to act as a natural booster. Spray everything with glass cleaner to get a nice shine. Then add a dash of fabric softener to give it a fresh, pleasant scent. Finish up with some dish soap. Scrub the entire surface, letting the toilet regain its freshness and smoothness with every stroke. Flush it all away. It's the weirdest way to clean a toilet I've ever seen, but the results actually surprised me.